Hello and good afternoon, nice people from the border of Indonesia and Malaysia. Yes, we just tried to cross inside and we couldn't because of a long story. But technically we did cross inside, but we didn't at the same time. So if you didn't watch that video, you can check it out here, there somewhere. Yeah. It's gonna be linked. We had a ton of fun and now we're ready to take the car and continue our road trip, right Gigi?
True. The people of Indonesia, they were very, very sweet and very nice.
Yes. So
right from the border.
I'm looking forward to going there again and exploring that country properly.
Yeah.
This time I think by air, because this is gonna be easier.
By air.
Yeah.
True.
The guy at the border was saying, go to Jakarta. Jakarta, easy visa la. Easy visa la. Okay.
There's always someone over there who can actually take your money.
Yeah, obviously, yeah. So let's get back to the car, which is somewhere there, and continue our adventure, right Gigi?
Yeah, let's do it!
Steve, I think your underwear is dry yet.
Let's check it out, The car is so hot. It is like a sauna.
What about underwear?
Oh, nice, and I'm gonna put it on right now.
Okay.
Some people call this a windshield wiper. I call it a clothesline.
Okay, good. In case you didn't know what happened, you can check the other video around here to see what Steve did while his underwear was on the windshield wiper.
Flashback.
I bring it.
I bring it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh god, it's so hot! Ah, it's hot! Too hot! Too hot!
It's so hot.
End of flashback.
Hey, you're on the wrong side of the road.
I don't know. Am I on the wrong side of the road? Because people sometimes are driving this way, people sometimes are driving that way. It's very confusing.
We just keep going here, man.
Keep going here? Okay, keep going here.
Construction ahead.
Oh, I think we're in a construction zone.
That's it, too late.
No, don't go straight, don't go straight.
No.
You have to go in here.
In here?
See,
Yeah, definitely not here.
we have this car like...
Okay, it's very confusing, man. It's very confusing.
Malaysian
you go
roads,
left,
yeah.
you go right, you go the other way around. Now I'm going on this side of the road. Very confusing. The road just suddenly finished over there.
Come on, now it feels okay again. Because the one side is clearly construction site.
Yes.
And this is the proper road.
Yes. Very confusing. Anyway, driving in Malaysia. Fun. A new experience. On a road trip in Malaysia and Sarawak, we just stumbled off the side of the highway into this place, which is called Ooo-ha. Ooo-ha, Chinese place especially known for duck noodles. And in Romanian language, Ooo-ha or Ooo-ha means something very bad. But I will not tell you because I don't want to promote this bad language. But if you want to Google it, Google Ooo-ha. See what shows up in Romanian language. Interesting. So let's see what they have here inside. They have ducks. They have nice people. Hello. Hello. Nice to meet you. All friendly people here at Ooo-ha.
What's going on with you, little one?
Gigi, what do you think about the name of this place?
It means something very nasty.
That's what I was saying. But you tell them what it means. I didn't want to tell them.
I cannot. No. It's a slander.
Yes, my mom might watch this, so I cannot tell you.
Yeah.
Still, if she is gonna watch it, she's gonna have fun and she's gonna know what we said.
You can add the letters in Google Translate and translate it to Romanian and let us know in the comments. No,
Yes.
you took my bananas. No.
No, that's bad. Okay, nevertheless, let's go find a place to sit and then enjoy the food here because this is why we stopped on the side of the road. So this is what is served at Ooo-ha.
We get noodles as well. This is we share this one.
Okay. Ooo-ha rață. Very good.
But the brown
Lamb steak is all the half done, the curry pieces.
Yeah.
With soy sauce and some herbs.
Soy sauce and herbs. Okay. Oh no.
Sounds good. Sounds yummy.
This shop has been, probably this is a third generation. We're serving this all the time for the last probably 50 years.
Yeah, we have this famous shop here, popular shop.
And how long is it open? I mean, in the morning till what time?
I think they started at about 5, they close.
Ah, it's 5? Because I seen something similar in Malacca, but they were opening in the morning.
The price is a bit different.
Okay.
You saw it? Oh, okay, good.
Is it any good?
Sweet.
Sweet?
No, very sweet. It's like a sponge cake
Oh yeah.
with chocolate.
Can I try?
Yeah, sure. I want to eat it up first. Yeah.
Good. Good appetizer.
What is your noodles?
Good?
Does she know? It's pretty good, yeah. Pretty good. Ask you shall receive.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For Mike.
Thank you. Terima kasih.
Kosong, ya. Teh open kosong.
Kopi kosong. Kopi o kosong. Kopi o kosong. Kopi o kosong. No ice. Just hot. Hot. Kopi o kosong.
Coffee ice.
Coffee with milk or plain coffee?
With milk.
With milk, right?
Right.
Yes.
The noodles have a
Hey, I learned.
the first impression is a little very nice. But I'm actually more an eye on the meat because the meat looks.
Okay, so we have some noodles and some duck. Let me take the duck. Good duck.
Guys, the meat is really delicious.
Crispy duck.
Turn this around a little bit. This is how it looks like, guys. Yum.
And the good is also good. Noodles are also good.
Crunchy.
Noodles, amazing.
A little bit crunchy, not too much. Very good. Very, very delicious.
I chose to go with the DOIs instead of the recommended coffee because I already had a coffee today.
Yes. Good place. Ooo-ha rață. Very good. I like Ooo-ha.
I approve this meal.
I like Ooo-ha.
I approve it. So thanks for the recommendation in the comment section.
Thank you,
Good place.
Ken.
Thank you, Ken. Thank you for telling us to stop here at the side of the road.
Well, thanks to my subscriber who recommended this
Thanks
place.
again, subscribers.
Thanks again, subscribers. Kopi o kosong.
Ya.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Very good. The duck. The duck is a bit fatty. So I like it though.
Yeah. Good point.
Yeah.
If you put sambal on it, spicy, good,
Really good.
perfect, recommended,
Really good.
totally recommended. Put sambal on it.
Approved.
Makes it better.
Thin noodles.
Ooo-ha duck. Very good duck. And now, after being replenished by a kopi o kosong, a Ooo-ha duck, and a cinnamon bun kind of a thingamajig that Gigi had, it's time to get back inside the car and continue our road trip. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
A few moments later.
Oh, puppies!
What is this? What is this? You're smelling it? There's a friend. Hi. Hello. You're smelling me.
How many is there?
Hi. There's a little one.
You count.
I'm just curious how much numbers there. 100 plus.
That's good, that's good. That's adorable.
And when you get to the top, you need
Your worst enemies.
I think it's going to
Steps.
be more than 100.
Stairs.
Yes. There's a big way.
But I think we can do it. I hope it's open upstairs.
Let's go to heaven.
Go.
like you want to race up the stairs?
Stairway to heaven.
Yeah, I'm too tired.
You want to race?
Stairway to heaven.
After eating that chili. Okay, fuck it.
Oh, we're gonna go into the goodness.
This goes. This goes. And I gave you a 20. Okay.
I'm melting. My throat are still the chili.
Bad idea to do this after chili. Very bad.
Many people think we are super unsporting. But keep in mind, it's brutally hot here. It's very humid.
These tiles are burning my ass. But I'm too tired to move. Okay. Love it. Hi. Yeah, we saved some time. The girls are taking the time. Oh, we're high up. I can see the whole area from here. Cool. Nice church. If there is water, there shall be money inside the water. I think I've seen this before. Here in Malaysia and in Romania. I don't feel my legs anymore, they're jelly.
Jelly?
Yes, I feel like I'm walking on jelly.
Why? Yeah. Well,
Why not?
yeah, true. What does this look like to you?
Like a rocket ship.
Rocket ship.
Yes.
Right? It's like it's taking off to go to the moon.
Yes, I'm on my way to Mars on a rocket ship.
Did you see the view?
I saw the view.
Beautiful.
Yes, I was here before Gigi, before you.
It's so beautiful. I
Very
like
nice.
to take my time, man, especially upstairs, of course. Someone sometimes gets a bit messy. This is Ken's bag, this is ours, and this is Ivana's and Steve's. So 2 drones are up in the air, the 3rd one coming. There's a party going on out there. Yeah. Everybody so focused. Guys here also. Good Lord. Good Lord. Hallelujah. Michael loading. Guys landing. Everything's good. Beautiful, gorgeous view in the back.
Now that we're going down like normal persons on this stairway, I can tell you a little bit more about this church. So, as you can see, it looks like a missile in a way. We saw it from the side of the road while we were on the highway, and we decided, okay, this looks interesting. Let's stop here and see what this church is about. And the funny thing is that it's literally in the middle of the jungle located, and across the mountain behind the church you have Indonesia.
Yes.
So if my drone could fly a little bit farther away, at least my drone would have entered Indonesia. So I don't know how the airspace regulations are here, but I don't think it's a good idea to fly the drone in Indonesia. Nevertheless, we can actually show you the church from outside, which looks very beautiful, and also from the inside. Technically, they're not supposed to film in the church, but we saw the sign after we were filming in the church, so don't tell anybody. But yeah, this is a nice church, and according to the internet, a lot of miracles are happening here on this church. So technically you can make a wish on top of the church and it might come true. I don't know, I'm wishing to have a safe journey till the end of our road trip, so I hope it will come true and we won't have any issues along the way. Because so far it has been a good start and we don't want to jinx it. So let's keep the thumbs up and the positive attitude and say hello to the puppy. Hello puppy! Came back. And you have a friend. Now you come. Oh, yes, puppies are cute, but I have to go. So let's get back to the car and continue our road trip. Right, Ken?
Let's go.
Let's go.
A few moments later.
And we have arrived somewhere where I don't know, because it looks like a kampung around here. And this house is, they don't look like the house that we are looking at.
Looking for this house.
Yep. And
on Google Maps, it's here.
yeah, but it's not here. So
Wanna ask the boys over there?
Yeah.
which boys?
Over there.
Kids? Okay. They're running away.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
It's good. Perfect. It's good. Good luck. Good job, guys. Good job. Nice. Pretty. Pretty place you have here. I'm Gigi, by the way. Made it! Good job, Michael. Safely getting us out.
To take this car out. Good luck to him in the morning. It's kinda tight.
But maybe the Mini is gonna go, so. Hi. Hi. Okay, shoes in, out? Shoes out, shoes out. Okay, good.
So did you like the house?
Love it, yeah, sure. It's huge. Massive.
Huge house.
Huge.
Massive house.
Massive.
That being said, thank you for watching. We arrived at our house. Simple, easy, peasy, easy la.
Welcome to our crib. Sorry, guys.
Yes. PG-14. PG-14. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.